Hi everybody, I'm Angel and I'm a yummy vegan, and I wanted to come back on today and talk about don't rock the boat. When I was growing up, I lived under this concept of don't rock the boat. In my inner circle, the concept of actually speaking out against something that one did not agree with was considered rocking the boat. And so often I was a little bit vocal and wanted to express my thoughts and feelings, and I was told, don't rock the boat. Leave everything as it is. So now, obviously in my later years, I've learned that that is really not very healthy. It's not healthy for the person who's holding it in, and it's not healthy for society oftentimes. And particularly during these troubling times, these watershed moments that we are experiencing in this country, city across city and across the globe, country to country. And we really are rocking the boat, and it's way beyond the appropriate moment to rock the boat. We have no choice but to rock the boat. So I really hope that anyone out there who's afraid to speak up, who's afraid to rock the boat, who's perhaps lived like me, being told, don't rock the boat, I really hope that you can find it within yourself, that you can dig deep and find the courage to rock the boat and to speak out in solidarity for those who don't have a voice, for those whose voices are being taken from them based on discrimination, prejudices because of the color of their skin or other reasons all across the planet, gender, religion, ethnicity, many reasons. So I would super love to hear your thoughts about this concept of don't rock the boat. And I hope you're doing great. And until we see each other again, take good care. And bon appetit and bon voyage.